So we have seen how to read and write the data using this insertion and extraction operator. We have also seen the use of getLine function. Okay, so now we will see the use of put and get functions. Okay, so put and get functions are used to read and write the characters from the file. Okay, so let us use this program where we created two strings, C and C++ programming, and then Sant Longowal Institute of Engineering and Technology. And these two strings were written using this insertion operator. Okay, so now I do not want to use this insertion operator. I want to use the put function. Okay, so for writing we can use the put function, and for reading we can use the get function. Okay, so here, instead of this, let us remove this. Let us make it a string. String s is equal to this. Okay, now I want to use the put function to put one character at a time into the file. Okay, and instead of test2.txt, now let us use test3.txt. Okay, here we will use a while loop. While int I is equal to 0 and I is less than s dot size. Okay, so what will happen? It will extract this size function, will extract the size of this string. Okay, so this string is actually a character array, so the first index is 0. Okay, so it will run from 0 to the last character. So the loop will run from I equal to 0 to I less than s dot size, then I plus plus. Now here we want to write this character. So of dot put s at index I. So this is how we can write the data to the file. So let us run this. Let us declare I here, int I. Now let us see whether it is running. It is expecting semicolon before parenthesis. So what is the error here? While I is equal to 0, I less than this size, plus plus. Oh, sorry. We must use, instead of while loop, it is for loop. Sorry, it is for loop. Okay, let's run it. So it has run, and now let us see test3. So it has put all the characters into this file. So now we want to read whatever we have written in this file test3.txt. Okay, so instead of writing a new program, let us do it here itself. So we want to use that file for input. Okay, so first let us close this output stream. Okay, so this is the close function which is used to close a stream. Here it will close this output stream which we opened here. Okay, so now we can open the same file for input. Okay, so if stream if1 test3.txt, and now we want to read character by character, so let us declare a character here, and here in the while loop, while while not if1 dot end of file means until we reach the end of file. Now we will use the get function. Okay, so if here ch is equal to if1 dot get ch. Okay, so this get function is reading character by character. Okay, and I think we do not need to put ch is equal to here. Okay, it is not returning anything. We are reading the character and that character is placed into this ch variable, and here let us write cout ch, so it will display the character which is being read. Okay, so then let us also close the input file stream if1 dot close. Okay, so in the first phase we opened this file for output. Okay, so we put a string character by character using put function, then we closed this output stream, and then we again opened the same file for input. Okay, so here using the get function we read from that file character by character and displayed it on the screen. So this is the output which we are getting. So in the earlier programs we did not explicitly close the stream, but here we explicitly close the stream. Why? Because in the same program we are using the same file for input and output. Okay, so either we can use iostream because we want to use the file for both input and output, but here we are first using the file for output and then we are using the file for input. Okay, so the file is same. So if you are using it for output, then first you have to close it, only then you can use this file for input. Okay, so here we have to explicitly close the output stream before using it for the input.